If your blower motor is running on one speed but totally silent on another, it usually means there's a problem with the multi-speed blower motor or its control module. So here's the thing. Blower motors often have multiple speed taps, and if one speed works but another doesn't, it often points to a bad connection or a partial failure in the speed control module. First, check the wiring at the speed taps. Sometimes it's just a loose or corroded connection that's messing things up. If the connections look good, the speed control module itself might be failing and needs swapping out. Also, inspect the resistor pack if your motor uses one. A burnt resistor can cause speeds to drop out. Remember, don't just keep cranking the thermostat up, hoping it'll fix itself. That can make things worse. When you replace parts, double-check you're getting the exact match for your blower motor model to avoid compatibility headaches. Keep a multimeter handy to test continuity on those speed wires before buying anything new. And whenever you're working with electrical components, make sure the power is off to avoid getting zapped. One of the biggest mistakes people make during blower motor troubleshooting is ignoring the wiring connections at the speed taps. This is where most issues show up and can be fixed easily with a little tightening or cleaning. Another common problem is assuming the whole blower motor is dead when really just the control module or resistor pack is shot. Replacing only what's broken saves you money and hassle. Lastly, skipping proper testing with a multimeter before swapping parts leads to wasted time and cash on unnecessary replacements. Fix these by carefully inspecting and testing each connection, knowing your exact motor type, and methodically ruling out control parts before blaming the motor itself. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with blower motors and HVAC repairs. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who need their skills and grow their business without all the hassle of searching for clients.